Hi guys, let's unbox and review Huawei Honor AX Max smartphone. It is a global version smartphone. It supports all Google applications, include Google Play Store and multi-language menus. I make a video only for my company B2B business. My company supports small order and small business also. We accept sample order from 1 pieces. We can make it global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience since 2010. We can deliver Honor AX Max global version smartphones to your forwarder address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou or other city in China. I will put B2B contact link below the video. I will put a small order sample order link below the video. If you like the phone, you can place us the order. If you want to make B2B business, you can contact with us. Okay, let's continue to review the smartphone. It is a 7.12 inch, 7.12 inch IPS LCD display, 350 ppi density, 18.7 to 9 radio, 2244 pixels by 1080 pixels. Its operating system is Android 8.1 Oreo operating system. CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 octa-core 1.8 GHz. Supports micro SD card up to 256 GB by micro SD card. Memory have 4 GB RAM, 64 GB ROM, 6 GB RAM, 164 GB ROM, or 4 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM. It have 3 cameras. Selfie front camera is 8 megapixel, f2.0 aperture, and its main cameras are dual cameras. 16 megapixel f2.0 aperture and 2 megapixel f2.4 aperture with dual LED flashlight. The battery built-in is 5000 mAh battery built-in. Supports 9V 2A 18W fast battery charging. And here's a fingerprint sensor. Supports FM radio, Type GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, BDS, Bluetooth 4.2. The phone have black color, blue color, and red color, 3 colors to choose. Here's the SIM card slot. Dual nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. headphone jack, and let's have a look. Another color. The black color. Blue color. Let's continue to check what included in the color box. Here's the color box. 1 piece charger, 9V 2A fast charger. We use 1 piece ULO converter together free. 1 piece micro USB cable. 1 piece a jet pen. 1 piece image sticker. Manual. Warranty certificate. The last one is the with a good quality silicone case. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like us in Facebook and Instagram pages. Details: water drop display. Black color, blue color. That's all.